You might have heard about the game Palworld. If not, I'm going to explain this to you. In Palworld, you're not just a player. You're a trainer, a builder, an explorer. Journey through lush forests, rugged mountains, and bustling towns alongside your loyal pals. From fierce warriors to cuddly companions, each pal is bursting with personality and ready to join you on your quest. But Palworld is more than just a game. It's a world of endless possibilities. Craft tools, build bases, and embark on epic battles with wild pals and rival trainers. The choices are yours to make, and the adventures are yours to discover. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your friends, gather your pals, and let's embark on an unforgettable journey together in Palworld. Share your thoughts about this game in the comments section.